Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
A very common and stressful question for visa applicants is, can someone accompany me to my US visa interview? The short and direct answer is almost always no. US embassies and consulates are secure federal facilities, and for security and crowd control reasons, they generally do not permit third parties to attend non-immigrant visa interviews. This includes friends, family members who are not applying, and even attorneys in most cases. The waiting rooms are often crowded, and the process is designed to be a direct conversation between you, the applicant, and the consular officer. They want to hear the answers directly from you. However, there are a few important exceptions to this rule that you need to know about. First, if the applicant is a minor under the age of 18, one or both parents or a legal guardian is typically permitted to accompany them to the interview. This is the most common exception. Second, elderly applicants or individuals with disabilities who require assistance may bring one person to help them. This person is there for physical support, like helping them navigate the building, and not to answer questions on their behalf. The consular officer will still direct all questions to the applicant. A third exception can be for an interpreter. If you do not speak English or the local language of the country where you are applying, you might be allowed to bring an interpreter. But you absolutely must check the specific embassy or consulate's website first. Many locations provide their own interpreters and do not allow you to bring your own to ensure impartiality. Do not just show up with a friend to translate, you will likely be turned away. It's also important to note that if a family, like a husband, wife, and their children, are all applying for visas at the same time, they will attend the interview together as a group. In this case, they aren't accompanying each other but are all applicants in the same session. The most critical piece of advice is to always check the official website of the specific US embassy or consulate where your interview is scheduled. They will have a dedicated page with their specific rules on who may accompany an applicant. These rules are strictly enforced. Anyone who is approved to accompany you will need to bring their own government-issued photo ID and will be subject to the same security screening, meaning no large bags, electronics, or other prohibited items. So, to recap, unless you are a minor, need physical assistance, or have pre-approved an interpreter based on the consulate's specific policy, you should plan to attend your US visa interview alone. I hope this clears up a very common point of confusion and helps you prepare for your big day. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.